Hi, welcome back my fifth video of C programming, and you are watching Infinite India Online College. Before going to start my class, and I'm telling that please like, share, subscribe my channel and comment on this video. So back to the point. My previous class I have discussed about environment setup of C program, and on there shown you about how to install MinGW, and you have already seen about the installation of a C compiler of MinGW. So today I am going to teach you about the computer program structure. So before we study the basic building block of the C programming language, let us look at a bar minimum C program structure so that we can take it as a reference in the upcoming chapter. So hello world example, I am showing that hello world example. A C program basically consists of the following parts. First one is the preprocessor commands. Here preprocessor commands. So first one is the preprocessor commands, and the second one is functions, variables, statement and expressions, and comments. So I am discuss each one by one in short way. So at first, preprocessor commands. So you already know about the C preprocessor commands. If you don't know, then I am going to explain about this. In C programming language, preprocessor directives is a step performed before the actual source code. Compilation, it is not part of the compilation. Yeah, you can see about that. The preprocessor is the not part of the compilation. So what is this? When we try to compile a program, preprocessor commands are executed first and then the program gets compiled. So every preprocessor commands begin with hash symbol. So here is showing that before included hash symbol is there. So you can see from there hash symbol. Hash include stdio dot not a hash symbol is the preprocessor commands. So next one is the function. If no one know about the function, then I'm going to explain about the function. So what is the function? Everyone asking about the function. So now I'm going to tell about that. A function is a group of statements that together perform a task. Every C program has at least function which is main, and although most trivial programs can define additional functions. A function declaration tells the compiler about a function name, return type, and parameter, and that function main is also there is that it's come as in function name, parameter, everything is comes in function. So main is there. Next one is variable. So you know about the variables. Okay, I'm going to discuss also about the variables. If you don't know about the variables and know something good about the variables better than me, then comment about the variables. So here, according to my knowledge, I'm telling that a variable is nothing but a name given to a storage area that our programs can manipulate. Each variable in C has a specific type which determines the size and layout of the variables. Memory, the range of values that can be stored within that memory, and the set of operations that can be applied to the variables. So what is the variables? Integer, character, floating point, double, void, these all are variables. So next one is statement and expressions. So what is expressions and what is the statements and expressions? So again I am telling about the statements and expressions in C. An expression represents a single data item, usually a number. The expression may consist of the single entity such as the constant or variable, or it may consist of some combination of such entities in interconnected by one or more operators. Expression can also represent logical conditions within are either true or false. However, in C, the conditions true and false are represented by the integer value 1 and 0 respectively. Several simple expressions are used here. I have already given that the expression, how to expression is going to be used. So a statement causes the computer to carry out some definite action. There are three different classes of statement in C: expression statement, compound statement, and control statement. An expression statement consists of an expression followed by the semicolon. So here that the semicolon is showing that the expression, it is showing that expressions, statements and expression. So what is the statements and what is expression? So you know better about the statements and expression. And most of there here semicolon, that can be also be the statement and expression. So there is the statement and here semicolon, include with the semicolon is expression. So next one is the comment. A comment starts with a slash asterisk and ends with the asterisk slash and can be anywhere in your program. Comments can span several lines within your C program. Comments are typically added directly above the related C source code. So here you can say about the dummy program. This is the comments. It is going to be started with slash asterisk, then after going to be closed as or star slash, sorry, asterisk slash. This star type it is showing there, but you can say about the asterisk slash, okay. So you have seen the code, all that terms. What is the preprocessor command and functions? You know about the functions. Preprocessor command, this one is the hash is the preprocessor, hash is comes under the preprocessor command. Functions, what is function? Functions main, everyone is asking about the what is that function. Variable, what is that? Integer, character, float, double, this comes in variable. Statements and expression, these are the statements, and semicolon consist with expression. And comments is also comes here. Comments, my first program in C, this is comes under comments, and it is going to be open slash and asterisk and going to be closed, asterisk, then after slash, and here return. If nothing is going to be so here value going to be showing here returns. Then after that, here opening braces and their closing of the program. After closing of the program, it is going to be a stop. Let us take a look at a variable part of the above program. So previous programs I have shown you about the first line of the program has include stdio.h is a preprocessor command which tells a C compiler to include stdio.h, a standard input-output header files, before going to actual compilation. The next line int main is the main function where the program execution begins. The next line slash asterisk, then after closing slash slash asterisk slash will be ignored by the compiler. Okay, I'm going to tell you again. The next line slash asterisk, and then after asterisk slash will be ignored by the compiler, and it has been put to add additional comments in the program. So such lines are called comments in the program. The next line printf, and then after opening bracket and closing bracket is another function variable in C which calls the message hello world to be displayed on the screen. The next line return 0 terminates the main function and returns the value 0. So compiler and execute the program. So here I am going to tell you about the compile and execute C program. Let us see how to solve the source code in a file and how to compile and run it. Following are the simple steps. Open a text editor and add the above mentioned code. Then after, save the file as hello.c. Then after, open a commands prompt and go to the directory where you have saved the file. Type gcc hello.c and press enter to compile your code. If there are no errors in your code, the command prompt will take you to the next line and would generate a.out executable file. Now type a.out to execute your program. You will see the output hello world printed on the screen has gcc hello.c, and then after you can type there dot slash dot out hello. Here is showing the output hello world. Make sure the gcc compile is in your path and that you are running it in directory containing the source file hello. Thank you. In my next video, I'm going to tell you and discuss about how to compile and showing how to compile that program hello world, and some programs I'm going to execute by the use of MinGW where I have installed, and by the use of C compiler. You can also try yourself. Thank you. If you have any query related to this video, please mail us on infiniteindia2@gmail.com. So again I'm telling to you, please like, share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.